Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We reached a solution that passed all our 7 tests. Today I will cover some cosmetic aspects. For example, here I want to say x is larger than 9 feet. So let's take a look at the input file. We have the units in the input file inside the variable at the position. Let's see, first one is 0, second one is 1, 2, 3 at the position 3. So let's read that one in a variable. So here we are reading the name of the unknown, so we'll add a new line and we'll say unknown units, it's equal variable of 3. Okay, now that we know the units of the unknown, we will add it in the ending printing statement. So we'll say here, comma, unknown units when coefficient is larger than 0, and here unknown units. Okay, I will save this file and let's run our 7 tests to see if they pass. Okay, x is larger than 9 feet, that's good. Second test, x is larger than 18 feet. Third test, x is smaller than 9 feet, very good. Fourth test, x is smaller than 9 feet, perfect. X is larger than 9 feet, good. X is larger than 9 feet, also good. And the last test, x is larger than 9 feet. All tests passed. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.